Have you ever had a situation when you want to order your videos? You can do that very easily in tvchannelpress.com and then in your Roku screen on the categories page. We will go through this right now. So let's say that I wanted this particular video to show up first. I will click edit. And what I want to do is we can order anything by the publish date. So let's say, for instance, this is July 25th. I want to make this the first video. I can use any date. It doesn't really matter. If I click on OK after selecting July 1st, I click update. Now this video will have a published date that will be earlier than the other video before it. And you can actually see that this video is July 1st and this video is 17 hours ago. So now you have videos ordered this way. How do you set this up on Roku? Very easily. Log into your Roku channel. And once you do that, you want to click on the actual category page. So let's click on that link. And then from here, you can see I have a category here called New York. This category matches. If I click on edit, or you can just look here under Roku tags, we have New York. So whatever is in this category, it will order automatically in this category with one setting. Let's click on edit. And you want to make sure you have chronological order. Chronological order obviously will sort everything by date. Select that, click done, and then click save. And from there, your Roku channel will be sorted. You want to do one more step. You want to update, or if it's in the middle of a cancellation, just leave it and it will automatically change when Roku is reviewing your submission. But if your channel is already published, this will say update, and you can simply click the update button. That's it.